Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we will talk about the zoo.
Teacher, what is a zoo?
A zoo is a place.
Do animals live in the zoo?
Some animals come from forests. Let us start with the lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle.
Why is the lion the king?
Because the lion is strong. Lions live in groups.
What do lions eat?
Lions eat meat. Now, let us talk about the elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal.
Why is the elephant special?
The elephant has a long trunk. Elephants are very intelligent.
Do elephants eat meat?
Now let us see the giraffe. The giraffe is very tall.
Why is the giraffe so tall?
The giraffe has a long neck. Next, we have the monkey. Monkeys are very playful animals.
What do monkeys eat?
Monkeys eat fruits. Now let us talk about the zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes.
Why do zebras have stripes?
The stripes help zebras stay safe. Children, animals are very important. We must protect animals.
How can we protect animals?
We should be kind. We should keep their homes clean. Do you like learning about animals?
Yes, teacher.
I am happy to hear that. Learning about animals helps us love nature. Thank you, children.
Thank you, teacher.
Animals are our friends. Let us protect them. Thank you for watching.